In this video, I will show you how fast and easy it is to create this website you're looking at right here using WebStarts from scratch. So here I go. I'm in the WebStarts Designer client dashboard and I click on Edit My Page. I have a blank design going, so let me show you how quickly I can change that into the beautiful website we were just looking at. The first thing I do is remove some of the content that's already here. The next thing that I'm going to do is begin to lay out my page. Start that by uploading that header graphic that I had, and it's on my local computer. Great, that's uploaded, so I add it to my page. But my menu disappeared because it's behind that header, so I just add that back. And I'm actually going to put a background behind that, so here we go, right here. I've just used the box tool to do that. Stretch that the length of my page. I'm going to fill that. Remove the border from that box. And again, moving fast here just to show you how quickly this can happen. I need to edit my menu. I want the background of that menu to be transparent. I'm fine with everything else in that menu. Okay. Oops. I think I left the text color out of the equation. Oops. Actually, no. It's right here. Let's bring that to the front. Okay. Tap a couple keys on my keyboard here. Just creating this layout. Now I'm trying to get to this black layer here. Click on the transparency option. Increase the transparency. Okay, great. Now I'm ready to add some more of my boxes. And now I know that there's going to be 3 of these boxes across and that they're 320 pixels wide, and I think they're 400 pixels tall. Remove the border. Select a color. This one I believe was that color. Move this down a little bit. So it's just right. Now duplicate it. Hold Shift and use my right arrow key to move this over. Paste again to duplicate once again. Okay. Now change the color of that box to this color, and lastly this box to this color. And then I'm dropping this down here. Little box here. Actually going to make that 50 pixels tall and 960 wide, and get rid of the border. And actually I'm going to make that, I think that was charcoal gray. Oops. Then I had a little bit of text on top of there, something that said this site was built by me, just a little footer text. Change the font color. Yeah, I want to change the size, knock that down to a little 10. Add a little bit of text here. Say move this over. And change that text color to that. Again, I'm going to duplicate by copying and pasting. Moving that over. One more time. You can put whatever you want here, obviously, but then if I want to continue and add more text, I could do that just like this. I can put whatever content I want into here. Let me show you how I could just quickly change that font color to match the other font color. Whoops, here we go. And then again, if I want to duplicate that, it's easy, hit Shift and the right arrow, and I can move that over multiple pixels at a time. I can hit paste, do that again. And from here, you can pretty much populate your website. Well, I guess I had that little section where I had the logo. So I put this box on the top right. I move Shift arrow key a couple of times. Remove my border from the box. Choose to make my box 200 pixels wide by 100 pixels tall. Click OK. I can drop a little text on top of there if I want. And just like that, change the font style. Center it up. Perfect. Hit save, and I'm done. Just like that, I've built a website. That easy with WebStarts. Don't forget to check it out at webstarts.com. Make your very own free website.